Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. Foam rolling has exploded in popularity over the past few years. No longer used only by athletes and trainers, foam rolling, or myofascial release, is now used by people with all levels of fitness. The goal of foam rolling is to improve muscle function, performance, and range of motion. When a tight muscle or trigger point is released, you are able to move freely with less pain and improve your overall performance. Activity, age, and injuries can cause your muscles to lose flexibility, which in turn creates adhesions and pain. Foam rolling allows you to place deep compression on these areas, reducing pain and adhesions, while creating improved range of motion. New research has discovered that foam rolling during your warm-up can improve flexibility more than static and dynamic stretching. Using a foam roller on tight muscles and trigger points has been shown to improve that flexibility, help you maintain proper movement patterns. If you have questions on whether foam rolling is right for you, just ask. We believe this type of at-home care is a great way to support the adjustments you receive in our office. I'll be back next week with another episode of Research That Matters TV.